My name is Niket Panali. I am from a company called as 2L Engineers. We are into manufacturing of valves. So basically we were using a lot of CAD software, and since the perpetual license was not there, we wanted something that had perpetual license. And then we were introduced to DesignSense, and Mr. Rakesh has really helped us in choosing the right software. BricsCAD has made a lot of our work very easy because of the kind of features it gives us. It is almost, or I can say much better than AutoCAD, and all our users have had a great time using the software with ease. Also, we were introduced to CAD Power. That was one feature that came along with BricsCAD, and I think we will explore more about CAD Power in the upcoming days. And overall, the experience of BricsCAD is something that we've really liked, and it has definitely saved us a lot of money and given us a great ease of working on all our kind of 2D drawings. Thank you. So at 2L Engineers, we are manufacturers and exporters of industrial valves. So the design process is something that happens like we initially either come up with a new product or we reverse engineer some of the products sometimes. So we do a lot of 2D drawings. Initially the 2D sketch is developed, and then we do 3D modeling. And based on 3D modeling, there are a lot of analysis that we either do it in-house or we outsource it. So once it is done, that's how we get into the manufacturing mode of industrial valves.